Hello and welcome to this tutorial on JavaScript data types. In this video, we will cover the different data types in JavaScript, including primitive, non-primitive, and special data types. Understanding these is crucial for writing efficient JavaScript code. Let's dive in. Primitive data types are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once assigned. Non-primitive data types are mutable and can store collections of values. Special data types representing an invalid number like nan or infinity. First, we have the number data type. This represents both integers and floating point numbers. For example, let num equal to 25 and let price equal to 99.99. As you can see, the type of both variables is number. Next is the string data type. It represents a sequence of characters enclosed in single, double, or backticks. For example, let greeting equal hello and let message equal world. Both variables have the type string. The Boolean data type represents true or false values. For example, let isActive equal true and let isComplete equal false. The type of both is Boolean. The undefined data type is assigned when a variable is declared but not initialized. For instance, if we declare a variable user without assigning a value, its type will be undefined. Null represents the intentional absence of any object value. For example, when we set a variable value to null, it means it has no value. Interestingly, the type of null is an object, which is a known quirk in JavaScript. Symbols are unique and immutable identifiers. For example, let ID equal symbol of ID. The type of ID is symbol. Symbols are often used as unique keys in objects. Big int represents integers beyond the safe integer limit in JavaScript. For example, let big number equal 123 followed by an n. This indicates a big int type. Now, let's look at non-primitive data types, starting with objects. An object is a collection of key-value pairs. For example, a user object with name and age properties is of type object. Arrays are ordered collections of values. For example, an array of numbers from 1 to 5 has the type object. Arrays are a special kind of object in JavaScript. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. For instance, a greet function that returns hello has the type function. Lastly, we have special data types. Nan stands for not a number and is returned when a mathematical operation fails. For example, dividing a string by a number results in nan. Infinity represents values larger than any number. For example, dividing 1 by 0 results in infinity. To summarize, JavaScript has 7 primitive data types, including number, string, Boolean, undefined, null, symbol, and big int. It also has non-primitive data types like object, array, and function, as well as special types like nan and infinity. Understanding these data types is crucial for effective JavaScript programming. That wraps up our tutorial on JavaScript data types. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on JavaScript and web development.